Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider one of the best dog carriers for cars, the Doggie World Dog Car Seat Cover for the back seat. If you're a dog owner who loves to travel with your furry friend, this product promises to protect your vehicle while keeping your pet safe and comfortable. Let's start with the build quality. This seat cover is crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric with 4 protective layers, including waterproof cotton and PVC. This combination offers a waterproof, scratch-proof, and dirt-resistant surface that shields your car seats from paw prints, mud, fur, and spills. The 4-layer design also provides an extra comfort layer for your pet, so your dog enjoys a cozy ride without slipping or sliding around. The versatility of this seat cover is impressive. It is a modular 3-in-1 design, meaning it can be used as a standard backseat cover, a dog hammock that protects both the seat and the floor area, or even a dog bed during travel stops. Its dimensions accommodate most vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs and trucks, with an adjustable fit that extends up to 54 by 58 inches, plus side flaps for extra coverage. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The cover secures to your car with 4 heavy-duty headrest anchors and 2 seat anchors, ensuring it stays firmly in place even during bumpy rides. The non-slip base prevents the cover from sliding, reducing the risk of your dog losing balance while the car is moving. Additionally, the cover has seat belt accessibility, allowing you to buckle your pet safely with the included dog seat belt. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the high-quality materials used. The waterproof surface allows you to quickly wipe away dirt and mud or vacuum hair and debris without hassle. This makes it an ideal accessory for active dogs who love outdoor adventures, as well as for everyday use to maintain your car's cleanliness. Safety has been clearly prioritized in the design. Besides the non-slip backing and secure anchors, the dog seat belt included adds an extra layer of protection for your pet during transit. The product also fits universally across various car models, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. In summary, the Doggie World Dog Car Seat Cover offers a durable, comfortable, and safe solution for transporting your dog. It combines heavy-duty materials with thoughtful design features like waterproofing, non-slip backing, and adjustable sizing, making it a practical investment for dog owners who want to keep their vehicles clean and their pets secure. If you're looking for a reliable dog car seat cover that also doubles as a travel bed and keeps your car spotless, this might be the perfect option. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews of the best products out there. Safe travels to you and your furry friend.